Knock, knock. Who's there? Mr. Orlando's Finders Club. End of joke. But beginning of professional fun. Okay, are you up for the challenge today? I need your help to find a ukulele. It's kind of like a small guitar, and I don't know where I put it. Can you help me? Great, excellent, okay, good. So, we're going to look around a bunch of items on some shelves, and if you see anything, you let me know, okay? Great, let the finding begin. Huh, take a look. See if you can find the ukulele. Remember, it kind of looks like a little guitar. Is it over here? Is it over here? Huh. Is it over there, I wonder? Wait. Oh, what's that? Wait a minute. You see the ukulele? Where? Oh, good work. There it is. You found the ukulele. Good work. Well done, finders. Oh, nothing can hide from your keen eyes. Until next time, keep it professional.